Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 2005 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. This one has 160,000 miles. She's nicely modified for off-roading. I show it to you in different video. Has a manual transmission. It's a very cool truck. I should show you that shift knob. Somebody put their aftermarket shift knob. But this video will be about the wheel bearings and how to check them. Many times people bring their trucks. They have no idea that one of their bearings is bad. Because in order to check it, you have to lift that one wheel or entire truck. Depends what are your possibilities. Maybe you have just one jack, so you go around and you have to do the effort. Always lift at one side and start testing that wheel bearing. This Tacoma has one wheel bearing bad, and that gives me great opportunity to show you good ones and also bad ones. So let's go and do it. As usually, safety is very important. You don't want to have your vehicle up and using this 12 and 6 o'clock position, and you will be pulling on it and it will fall off the jack and pinch your hand right here. So if you do that, support the vehicle with a jack stance. Also make sure when you will start pulling and pushing on the wheel that there's no accident, you will not get hurt. I'm so strong that I don't want to rip this truck off the lift too. I have to be very careful. Just kidding. So, what do? Normally on the rear, here is a solid axle. There's no steering involved. So I'm grabbing that wheel. I can use a 3 and 9 position, but generally for bearings, it's a 12 and 6. Because here it's a steering, but as we said, real axle. So I will slowly, on multiple turns, I'm testing for some play, possible click. But you can hear there's nothing, and we can move on another wheel. Here we go, passenger side rear. Nothing. There's no play, there's no click, audible click, so I can move on the next one. Here we are on the driver front. Here the steering of the vehicle is involved. So if I use the 3 and 9 position, the wheel will be moving because I'm moving the steering system. So this will be incorrect to do it here. You see it? And then finally the steering lock the steering, but it makes all that noise and there is the movement. So no, please, where the steering is, you have to use 12 and 6 o'clock position. Let's check this one. Absolutely no play. Hopefully you didn't hear any clicking. Well, we have one more left, and as you guess, there is a problem, so keep looking and watch the details. So I will grab it and look at that play. But you say, Peter, don't mess with us. That's a steering play. You are right, I was just kidding. Now let's do the 12 and 6. Observe the wheel and listen for some audible signal which will give it away to you. Do you see that? I hope you see the pop and movement of the wheel. Let's do the close-up. This is all bad wheel bearing. This is not steering, I'm really grabbing it here on the bottom. So this truck gave us opportunity to film a good video for you. And I always want to show you more angles, more options, how you can spot it. So this is CB axle entering that entire knuckle where the bearing is. Observe it from here. You see this area moving? You got it, my friend. That wheel bearing should be replaced ASAP. I hope this gives you idea how you can check all your own wheel bearings. There is a hope that this owner will hire me for replacing this front wheel bearing if I schedule it appropriately, which means having a whole day to film it. Hopefully it will show up on this channel, so be subscribed. There's a lot of coming soon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, my friend.